Health next. Life secure. Fish is a favorite for many people, but according to one expert, it is best to avoid ordering fish on Mondays. This, amongst a few other reasons, is to ensure that you optimize its freshness before cooking. Why you should not order fish on Monday. According to Anthony, if you order fish on a Monday, there is a great probability that the restaurant placed only one seafood order for the weekend, and the fillet arrived on a Friday. If the chef didn't sell enough fillets as he anticipated over the weekend. When is it okay to order fish on Monday? Fish usually stays fresh for about 2 days, so a 4-day-old fillet is not something you want to consume. Again, according to the USDA, raw fish and shellfish should be kept in the refrigerator for only 1 to 2 days before cooking or freezing, and cooked fish and other seafood can be safely stored in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 days. Freezing fish or shellfish will make it safe indefinitely, but its flavor and texture may decline over time. Note that eating spoiled fish can cause seafood poisoning, which can lead to symptoms that appear quickly, usually within an hour. These symptoms include flushing, itching, rash, headache, rapid or irregular heartbeat, dizziness, sweating, burning of the mouth and throat, diarrhea, nausea, vomiting, and abdominal cramps. That's all for today, guys. See you in the next video. Subscribe for the next video. It's Mark.